Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to recover Snapchat My Eyes Only password in any iPhone or Android. If you're using any iPhone or Android and you have forgotten your My Eyes Only passwords, let's see how can you easily recover that. So the very first thing you have to check that you have a strong internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Then go for settings, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that there is no any VPN connected. Once you have checked these all, you have to open your Snapchat and here go to memories and you will get the my eyes only option. You have to simply tap on that and here it will ask you to enter password. Now if you haven't remember your passwords, let's see how can you easily recover that. You'll get the option here, so you have to simply tap on that and here you'll get two different options. The first is you have to change passcode. So if you have remembered your passcode, you just have to select the first one and you have to enter your previous passcode, and then you can easily change the passcode from here. Or if you haven't remember your passcode, you have to select the second one, which is forgot passcode, and here you have to enter your Snapchat account password. And once you have entered, you have to select the next option and then you will be able to recover your My Eyes Only password on Snapchat. So in this way, you can easily recover the My Eyes Only Snapchat password. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.